Okay.
6.
Oh shit. You guys are like 12, right?
Are you going here?
Oh, not right now. I started
That's Como. That's middle school, dude.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, it's like you guys started for them. We started at 6.
Dude, I'm just gonna.
nuts.
Nothing
No
that.
back on the head. No back on the head. No nuts. Besides that, the whole thing we train. So try to knock me out. If you knock me out, if you knock me out,
He'll buy you a kid's meal.
Put my legs up when I'm laying down, so the blood comes to my head, alright? But if you knock me out, yeah.
Anthony can do that, right?
Breathe.
They're both great. It's so funny.
The training should be 2v1. One from the back, one from the front.
Oh, they're just all those punches.
You guys in a box too?